What is going on YouTube? Hater back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Now, I do have a lot to talk about. I do have some good news. But first, before I dive into that, in regards to the Amazon gift card giveaway, which I would like to do this week, I was hoping that what was ordered from China that was sent to me, it was ordered with BitFi. They're sending me keychains that I can give out with the Amazon gift card giveaway here. I'm still waiting on them. It says on the tracking that they should be here this week, which is exciting. And hopefully, if they come in this week, then and only then can we start to actually give out the Amazon gift card giveaways. I want to do it all at once, maybe throw in some t-shirts, the keychains, as well as the gift cards too, which we're going to do all at once here. So once all that stuff comes in, then we'll restart the giveaway again. So just keep that in mind. I apologize. I know I've been trying to wait for it, but I guess during the holiday season and when things are ordered from China, it takes forever to come in. So, you know, just keep it in the back of your head. We will be doing that shortly, hopefully Monday. I'm like 95% confident Monday we'll be able to redo that again. But with that being said, just wanted to give you guys that quick update. What we are going to be looking at in today's video is the major cryptocurrencies. Over the past couple of days, we've actually been tracking correction across the board within a lot of these cryptos, which is necessary and healthy. We've actually been pulling back down to some solid overall support levels within a lot of the major cryptos. And now I believe we should be able to see some sort of reversal very soon across the board. I mean, XRP is practically at its bottom support here, so we should be seeing this reverse out soon. Same thing with Ethereum soon, something like that. Bitcoin, maybe it's at the bottom here. We are retesting the 4-hour moving average. We'll see. And then the S&P 500 is at its top here. So should see some correction soon within the S&P 500, I would think. But we are going to be going over all that in depth in a minute. But with that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, I apologize for not making a video yesterday. It was literally impossible. I had a 5 a.m. flight, which means I had to get up at 3 a.m. and then it was like I didn't get home till like noon, so I guess I could have made a video, but then not only was I exhausted, but then I had to unpack, get ready, get groceries, yada, yada, yada for the week. So that's why a video didn't come out yesterday. Regardless, not really much has changed over the weekend here, which is good. I mean, because not much has happens over the weekend here. We do see, consolidation. We do see the markets play out, but it's really not anything aggressive where we'd be missing an opportunity to either get in or an opportunity to short or so on and so forth here. So now that it's Monday, now we have to be attentive to the markets here because we typically see some pretty solid aggressive movements within the week. So moving forward from that, looking at the current coin market cap, you can see quick refresh shows us markets are currently trading at 70 on the fear and greed, which is definitely good that we're tapering off. We used to be at 80, now down to 70. Markets back down to 1.45 trillion. We're down almost 9%, 8.5% to be exact, which is pretty crazy. But as you guys know, we've been on just a bender of a bull run over the past couple of days here. So the fact that we're seeing consolidation now is not really concerning to me. If anything, it is healthy and necessary in order for us to pump higher. You can see Bitcoin is still 1.75%, 2.5%. Ethereum's at 4.5%. BNB 5% for XRP. BNB 3.6%. I mean, we are consolidating throughout the week. You can see we are correcting lower here, which is it is a necessity for cryptocurrency. We were overbought. You can see right here. We were overbought for a lot of these cryptocurrencies. Ethereum was overbought. Bitcoin was overbought. Everything at the start was overbought. You can see currently the S&P 500 is still overbought, but everything needed to pull back down. Everything needs to correct lower in order for us to head higher. And now I think we're getting to that probably this week, if not today or tomorrow here, but this week nonetheless. You can see across the board here, for the S&P or for XRP, we've seen now 5 bull flag formations here. Bull flag breakout 1, bull flag breakout 2, bull flag breakout 3, bull flag breakout 4, and here's bull flag breakout 5. Now, what exactly is going on here? That's where things get a bit confusing. I'm trying to see, hey, is there like a maybe a pattern we didn't notice, but no, this is the flag itself. Here's the uptrend, the flag pull, the flag, and then the breakout here. And here we are forming some other interesting formation here. We didn't see a massive breakout, but that's okay. We don't necessarily need to see a massive explosion to the upside. If you look at this, we trended outside this ball flag right here. We started to climb up. We corrected, and then that massive rally came. It's very possible we could see something similar, and I likely think we would. Because you can see, I mean, we don't look too bad from when we started to stem that breakout here, but we are correcting lower, and we have now retested a pretty solid moving average. Honestly, the way I was looking at this when I first was talking to you guys, I was like, wow, we're breaking out of this kind of early. I mean, the only time we retested support was right here on moving average, and this is early, very early here. We actually need to consolidate a bit more before that correction here. I was thinking, okay, now that we've retested here, we'll consolidate here, we'll fall back down to moving average, then we'll see that pop. No, that's not what happened. Well, many days later, here we are forming another maybe minor or small bull flag. I mean, we can even jump to the 4-hour. Regardless of how you want to look at this small consolidative period here that's pulling us into oversold is actually retesting the supports that I thought we would need earlier, in history, or earlier in that pattern here. Now we're retesting it today, and you can see as of this morning, this is the big movement as of right now, where we are indeed retesting uptrend. We're retesting support. We're retesting moving average. Inside the descending fractal here, this is the retest, and that's the solidity that I think we needed, in my opinion, because sooner or later, when we break through this yellow band of resistance here, we should be able to, retest, break through, and see a pretty solid rally to the upside here. That's ideally what I would think is to come here. A break to the upside here, a bull run to the upside here, as soon as we confirm breaking through this moving average. So that's what we're all paying attention to. That's what I'm paying attention to. We need to break through this resistance in yellow to buy in conservatively to the upside. Obviously, taking advantage of it on BidFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BidFi lets me buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses. You can take profits. Everything you'd want on an exchange is offered on BidFi. If you sign up today, down in the description of today's video below, you can actually earn up to $2,888 by completing simple tasks, which is absolutely awesome. So make sure to take advantage of that. It's free. Not only can you obviously make money literally by just signing up to the website, you can then practice your trading with the demo account that they have right here. That means you can practice your XRP trades. You can practice my XRP trades, all simultaneously while using risk-free cryptocurrency right here, completely risk-free. You have the XRP chart, buy long, sell short, get familiar with the platform, learn how to do it with the free demo account crypto. Now, when you're ready, you can switch to the live trading account here, which is really awesome. Now, moving forward from BidFi and from XRP, which you can see is getting ready to pump, not only is XRP doing that, so is Ethereum. Now, this is something we got to pay quite close attention to, mainly because if we break through support here, this floor, we are going to correct down a moving average. However, if we don't, we will be coming back to filling and completing this moving average that we're in. There's clearly a resistance, there's clearly a support, and we're inside of it. So we have to see, hey, if we confirm closure below this, good thing, more than likely we're going to short this, but vice versa, we consolidate up to here, and at some point we break through the green resistance, we can buy in and long to the upside here. So it's one of the two. It's very simple. We just have to wait patiently to see what exactly is going to happen here. We need to see, are we going to see this resistance break? And then we could buy in long. Or are we going to short this to the downside? So consolidation definitely needs to take place. That could be said within XRP, even though we're pretty much completing that gap here. But everything is getting primed, and we finally have started to make kind of leeway on some big technical indicators. Now that we have these confirmed technical indicators, we basically just need them to pan out, and then we can, figure out what to do next. You can see that same thing is said within Bitcoin. However, Bitcoin's kind of in the middle here, but we are nonetheless retesting a solid moving average. If I jump to the daily, you can see we are clearly forming another bull flag formation here, filling in the gap. And very simply put, we could either A, consolidate all the way down to here, but nonetheless, if we break through this price ceiling in yellow, that's the opportunity to buy in and long, and obviously capitalize off the runs. As for the S&P, I mean, it's very possible we could go higher now that every cryptocurrency looks like it wants to go higher. However, the concerning part is not only was there a reversal doji right here, but the concerning part is we are freaking so overbought. Trading at 78 on the RSI, the last time we were that high was literally November of 2021. So it's been like 2 years now of seeing this market this overbought. So correction is necessary. As I was trying to say, it is necessary and it is needed in order for the health and longevity of the S&P 500. So correction needs to happen, at least down a moving average, before we can, skyrocket to the upside here. Maybe not that low, maybe here, and then a rally up, but we need to correct lower if we want to continue to head higher. But that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.